Have you been applying for remote jobs and not getting any response? Or have you been wondering, where do I really get started with these remote jobs? This course is specifically created for you. Over the past recent months, I have been posting real, legit remote jobs from international organizations and companies. And I have noticed something very important. Two things. One, very many people are interested, but very few people are truly prepared. Remote employers are not just looking for people who would want to work from home. They are looking for professionals who understand remote work culture, communication standards, digital tools, productivity expectations, and how to position themselves competitively in the global job market. So, I decided to create something structural and practical. This course is a carefully curated program. I have reviewed and studied high quality training from different creators and experts covering various aspects of remote work, from job search strategies, CV positioning, to remote interviews, to in-demand digital skills. I have distilled what truly matters, and I have created a step-by-step program that is focusing only on the skills and knowledge you actually need to compete for legit remote jobs. In this course, you will learn 1. How to find verified remote opportunities. Number 2, how to tailor your CV for global employers. Number 4, how to prepare for remote interviews. And the most important thing, how to build practical skills such as being a virtual assistant, digital marketing or social media marketing, customer support, how you would do it remotely, and the right practical skills, digital skills, to thrive in remote work. The good news, at the end of the course, you will get a certificate, and this certificate will demonstrate that you understand remote work standards and you have been trained in the core competencies required to work efficiently in a remote environment. It strengthens your application and positions you more confidently when applying for remote jobs. This is not about shortcuts. This is about being prepared. If you're serious about positioning yourself for these real remote opportunities, I am happy to guide you. There's a link in the description of this video. As you register, put in the phone number that you use on WhatsApp. I will reach back to you on WhatsApp. And we get started in this journey.